A hidden valley hideaway. Private, prestigious, and perfect in every way. This is 2252 Hidden Valley Crescent. This luxury home features timeless design throughout. 12-foot ceilings, crown molding, and an open concept design. The kitchen includes high-end appliances, plenty of space to gather, entertain, and leads to a formal dining room. With large windows throughout, these bright spaces are ideal for a large family, work-from-home setup, or overnight guests. The walkout lower level is also bright with high ceilings, luxury finishes, and leads to a private backyard retreat. A private pool paradise with cabana and plenty of outdoor lounge space, all set amidst the trees and manicured gardens of this nearly 1 acre property. Overlooking Bridle Path Estates, this Hidden Valley gem features the luxury a discerning buyer is looking for, with the privacy and convenience difficult to find. A tree-lined lot, tucked away while still offering easy access to local highways, only 45 minutes from Toronto's Pearson International Airport. A beautiful bungalow, a private place. Luxury living inside and out. To see this home in person, contact Debbie Steffen from the Cody team at RE/MAX Twin City Realty.